Welcome to Nagaland TV Sobman Lagawas. Viewers kan aji 5th December wa start kuina Nagaland Bamboo Resource Center de Hornbill 12 Hornbill Bamboo Carnival start hoise aro Abu Mera advisor to Chief Minister wa idu Bamboo Carnival inaugurate koile se itlo pore details sai sawa ibi.
Today, we are seeing the 12th edition of the Hornbill Bamboo Carnival. Earlier, it was way back in 2012. The idea of the Bamboo Carnival was conceived, along with the visions of the Nagaland Bamboo Development Agency with its objectives to alleviate poverty, to empower the rural community, how to engage people from different walks of life and attract them to this industry of bamboo. We're so happy that through this carnival, we have been able to encourage entrepreneurs, not even in the field of bamboo, but also in the field of music and arts, in the field of food industry, from the food industry, and so many other. As you can see today, there'll be participants catering to the different sections of these fields, to these different fields, taking part in this carnival. Today, we have about 200 entrepreneurs taking part in this Hornbill Bamboo Carnival 2024. It started as a humble, small-time event, but today we see so many dignitaries coming to grace our occasions, which speaks volumes that this Bamboo Carnival has indeed gained importance. So much so that it is now part of the state's annual Hornbill Festival calendar. So we have rechristened it as the Hornbill Bamboo Carnival since 2 years back. And last year, through this Bamboo Carnival, after the creation of the Chumukedima district, we were able to celebrate the first Hornbill Festival Chumukedima district here last year. And this will in fact be the second Hornbill Festival for the district as well. We're delighted with the presence of our guests, our special guests. Would like to make a special mention of Sri Kyo Shum Kung Sir, Advisor of Youth Resources and Sports. He has also been instrumental in uplifting the lives of the youth around the state. We're so happy to be with you for your presence here today, and accompanied by Sri Prashil Epiana. He is also a champion of the youth. Why I'm making a special mention is all these dignitaries here today are champions of the youth, and the Bamboo Mission believes in building the lives of our youth around the state. So we need the help and support of all these dignitaries. Sri Obed Quinker, another champion of the youth and chairman of the Honey Mission, our neighbor. They just celebrated their Honey Day. We're so thankful to you, sir, that you could make time even for our Bamboo Carnival. And Sri Kuputo Shohe, he's also a wonderful guy. He's a car enthusiast. You'll see him everywhere, wherever youth programs are held. And we're so happy, sir, for you to be here in our midst, and he's the chairman of the Nagaland States Mineral Development Corporation. And accompanied by them, it will be so incomplete without the presence of our respected chairman, Sri Nuzota Suro, chairman of Nagaland Bamboo Development Agency. Sir, it has been through your vision that this carnival has come to light today. And why I'm making this mention is, as I said, bamboo is not a specialized subject. Bamboo needs the help and support of every section, every department, and every professional. Like for example, in Nagaland Bamboo Development Agency, the officers, the team members, they are drawn from various departments. They're not just from one department. They've been drawn from 6, 7 departments. So we also need the help of all the departments to see this bamboo industry grow in Nagaland. Then, a special mention today with this Hornbill Bamboo Carnival, why it is gaining importance is, we have very special guests all the way from the land of the rising sun, Japan. We're so happy to have our dignified guests here today. Thank you so much. Mr. Ryata Saito, he's the second secretary, Embassy of Japan. He's right here with us today. And Mr. Kunyaki Yazawa is the JICA India officer. And very importantly, we have a very special celebrity bamboo artist. He's Mr. Matsumoto. He has come all the way from Japan. So he'll be conducting 2 days bamboo workshop during this carnival. So we're very happy for all of you. And in short, as our mission director has said, this bamboo carnival has all been about uniting people, bringing people from different walks of life, and to give importance on this wonderful plant called bamboo, which grows around us, and this we can use as a medium to improve the livelihood of the people around us. Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, I would so happily let this program start, and then this will go on for 3 days. Last year it went for 3 days, but because of popular demand, we had to extend it for another day. Another information to our special guest, Sri Abu, he was asking why only 3 days? Should make it for 5 days. So if there is a popular demand, we're willing to extend it to for another 1 or 2 more days. It will be incomplete to say that this bamboo carnival has been happening and has been successful for the last 12 years because of the help and the concern that has been shown by the Sovima Village Council. Very thankful that our chairman is here, Mr. Sebastian Zuma, and also chairman of Unity Village is also here. So without the support and help of these villages, this carnival would not have been possible all these years. So ladies and gentlemen, we are going to have 3 days of endless music, food, art, crafts, workshop, and we welcome you all to participate in all these 3 days. Thank you so much.
Back in 2021, when I visited Kisama, I noticed something which is like we need something which has 2 wheels, not 4. Like traffic iman congestion thake, aro gari kan iman jam thakilui manu still then they still bring the vehicle. So mila bhabna ekta to what if idohan events in gande, dangor events kande, and also resorts kan, aro institutions kande ido implement koro parise kole to ido idea ido kina ho koina 2021 de moi bhabna korise, but then plan korina ido idea execute korle alop time lagise enya korina this year he 2024 December this year he khatam korle parise.
तो आपने भी इधर बना रहे हैं challenges खान किन्हें tackle up कुछ ना
challenges तो बिशी थाकिशे because this is one of its kind. कुन भी बनाए साने तो निजोर है joints खान करोले शिकिशे, and then bamboo la species भी right species चलाओले वाला है. तो इधर challenges तो बिशी थाकिशे about 6 months तो back and forth करीना इधर करीना ये इतना खत्म हुए. Most probably next year. It's a trial day. तो सही सब I mean तला advantages भी जानियो लगे बदन तला disadvantages can भी जानी लिदो customers can भी problem face ना करो और problem face कोशिश करी one solution ready था क्यों battery so तला battery तो लिदो lithium ion battery है तो 72 volt battery है दे और 30 ampere तला लगा power तो 30 ampere है तो इधो तला लगा किले lithium ion battery चला ऐसे किले दो lithium ion battery तो लिदो तला discharge rate बिशी slow है as in मान कि बैकता light एक ता तदे जुलाई दिशे battery दे connect करना जुलाई ऐसे किले दो ताई बिशी slowly discharge हुए unlike other lead acid batteries kan निष्णा नहीं ना तो इधो आने lithium ion है चला and then इधो लगा charging विषय किले दो about 2 hours 2 to 3 hours लगे full charge करो ले and then ताई लगा discharge इधो अमीन ला hub motor लगा ताई hub motor कुंदो चला ऐसे इधो battery लोडे मने battery ताई ला discharge rate तो लिदो about ताई ला distance तो about roughly 40 to 50 kilometers plain day uphill day होली चलो तो consumption अलग बिशी हो जावा होली भी plain day तो about 50 kilometers जावा
Nagaland TV, Sop Manulaga Awas. Watch us live on Geo TV and on your television sets as well. For Dimapur viewers, we are on channel number 994 in Global Chapter, and Kohima and Mokokchung viewers, switch to channel number 138 on Hornbill Digital. For all news and updates, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and Twitter.